right, today we want to show you how to install a high CFM kit for a 5x5 Gorilla Grow tent. First, we're going to show you what's in the box. First, you should find 4 poles. And you're going to find 8 hooks for each one of these poles. Each pole gets 2 hooks. So again, you're going to install these hooks onto the ends of these poles. You're going to give them a good push until you hear an audible click, meaning that they're fully seated. You're going to want the opening of the hook to face the same direction on each pole, as you can see there. And once you have the hooks installed on the poles, we're going to install them in the tent. The main use for the High CFM kit is for growers who have inline exhaust fans inside their tent that are pulling a lot of air out of the tent and creating negative pressure as a result. What negative pressure will do to a tent is it will bow the tent walls in. And so it is very important to know how much CFM you're actually pulling out of your tent in order to allow the same amount of passive air coming back into the tent. The High CFM kit will help with holding the fabric out so that the plants have more room to grow rather than when the walls get sucked in and you start to lose a little bit of space in there. They're also super handy to hang controllers on, hygrometer, thermometers, whatever other instrumentation you might have inside of your tent. These are also a great addition. So I like to clip these right about waist height. And you're just going to clip them in. And as you can see, it will hold that tent fabric from really sucking in if there is negative pressure in your tent. Some people forego installing the pole that is at the door, but if you do want to, I suggest installing it with the clips outward. And when you access your tent, you can simply click it off. You could even swing it out of the way, but I would take it off altogether. You can then access your tent, do your maintenance, and then when you close the doors again, simply click it back in place. So that is the video of the High CFM kit.